and welcome back to my channel, Keith's Kitchen. So today I am doing something a little bit different and I'm going back to my sweets. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I need to do something for Valentine's Day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do chocolate covered cherries. Now these are not your normal chocolate covered cherries. I am not taking a cherry and dipping it in chocolate. Oh no, no, no. I am going to be doing like the cordial chocolate covered cherries, which means, yes, there's gonna be some alcohol in it. Of course, why would I not put alcohol in candy? It's delicious. So, what you need to do first is get your little silicone mold. Now, I could not find my square silicone mold, so I had to go out and buy these little guys. I think these are gonna be just fine for the cherries. It's got a little bit of decoration, and that's okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and start it. First, we are going to, we're just gonna go ahead and take our bag of chips, our chocolate chips, and we're going to melt them in the hot water bath. This right here is your hot water bath. And I literally just took a bowl. We are boiling some water underneath, and I'm just gonna melt these chocolate chips on this water bath. And as you can see, it has already started to melt. So I'm just gonna stir this, and I'll fast forward it so you guys don't have to watch it. Now that it's melted here, I am going to add it into my little dishes here. Now I'm just going to pour it all in here. Got my little scraper here, and you want to get all of the chocolate into the cubes. I don't know how people make this sound and look easy, because it's not as easy as what it looks. And we're gonna let this cool. Okay, so now I'm just going to let those cool. As you can see, it is quite messy, so I don't know how these people do it. When they pour it in and then they just let it run out. I must have done something wrong, but oh well, we're gonna continue. So now I'm gonna put the juice, I'm just gonna use the regular cherries here, and I'm gonna just put the juice into a pan, and I'm going to let this kind of get warm and boil, and then I'm adding vodka. Yummy, yummy vodka. I'm also going to be putting in 1 pack of gelatin. So now I have this cooled off, your mold's cooled off. We are now going to add some of our alcohol and cherry juice into each one. Just a little bit. Into each one here. Now we are going to add a cherry in each little thing here. And after that, we replace it or add chocolate on top of these. Okay, now that we have a hunk of a mess, smooth these out, which is not quite working. This is an absolute, this is a mess, absolute mess. Okay, well, now I'm just gonna let these cool off for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so I just took them out of the oven. I just took them out of the freezer and I put them on some wax paper. We're gonna try to pop these out. So we're just gonna see if we can get these all popped out. I think they may need to stay in just a little bit longer. So the cherries have been in the refrigerator for quite some time. So hopefully they will actually be ready to take out and we can try to do something with them. So let's take a look. Okay, so we are going to just try to pop these out one more time. They should be easy. Yeah, much better. I'm just gonna pop them out of the shells. So there are my chocolate covered cherries. Don't they look great? I think they came out pretty good with those floral molds. I like those. Let's give one a taste, shall we? See what it tastes like. Not bad. Tastes like chocolate and cherry. So, yeah, they're pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna be eating all of these because there's so many. If you've ever tried these, or if you made them yourself, or if you have any other candy recipes that you'd like me to try, let me know. But yes, these are fantastic for your Valentine. However, I will say that it is absolutely a mess to make these chocolate covered cherries. First time to ever do anything in a mold like this with chocolate in, absolutely a mess. But they tasted absolutely fantastic. I will be eating these all myself. Anyway, that concludes this week. That concludes today's video on how to make chocolate covered cherries or chocolate cordial cherries. Anyway, chocolate covered cherries. I'm just gonna say chocolate covered cherries. So if you like my video, please like it down below. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. And with that, I'm off. You guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day and we will see you next week.